I'm offering making food therapy today. So we are going to make chicken and mushroom today. But before we're going to do something with that mind of yours that has been working over time, if you have been overthinking someone, waiting for a message, worrying about the future, come and cook with me. You don't need to solve anything for the next 3 minutes. So I got the chicken here. So you cut your chicken into small pieces. While you're cutting, ask yourself, what is actually hurting me today? Not your whole childhood, not your whole relationship, just today. Maybe is he hasn't replied yet. I feel lonely. I'm scared this relationship is ending. Name it. That's enough. We'll season the chicken now. So I put salt and pepper and oil sauce. So we don't need 20 ingredients here. And sometimes your mind doesn't need 20 explanations either. He's avoidant, I'm anxious, maybe he loves me, maybe he doesn't. Stop. What do you actually know? Come back to what is real. We're going to cook the chicken now. Now put the chicken in. Listen to that. Your body is here. Your hands are here. The pan is hot. For this moment, you're not inside yesterday or tomorrow. You're cooking dinner. Now the mushroom, look at them. Some big, some small, some ugly. Nobody rejects the mushroom because it isn't perfect. So why are you demanding perfection from yourself? We put garlic and onion. So let everything cook together, and maybe your uncomfortable